Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 1 and 2 of exercise 10.5. In this exercise, we are going to construct right angled triangle. So we will learn how to construct a right angled triangle for the given measures. In question number 1, it says construct the right angled triangle PQR where measure of angle Q is equal to 90 degree, QR is equal to 8 centimeter and PR is equal to 10 centimeter. For constructing this type of triangle, we will see where we are supposed to take our 90 degree, and for that purpose we will see the angle which they have given 90 degree, that is Q. So definitely we will not take PR as the base because we need Q, and over there we can draw our 90 degree. So we will start with drawing one line, that is 8 centimeter. Let us start our construction. First draw QR is equal to 8 centimeter. So this is our line QR. Name it as QR. Now on Q, open one compass. Take compass and open any radius. Place it on Q and draw one semicircle. With the same radius now, place it on X. We will name this point as X. Place it on X. Draw one arc, that will be our 60 degree. Now place it on that 60 degree arc, another arc, that will be our 120 degree, and in between somewhere here we will place one another arc. Now take this needle, place it on 120 degree and draw another arc. This will be our 90 degree. Name this point as some you can name it as A. Join A and Q and extend it further. Measure it with protractor. If we have got 90 degree, yes. Now what? Now on QA, we will take, first of all we will take the measurement as 10 centimeter. Opening our compass, 10 centimeter. You can see here it is 10 centimeter. Now place it on R. Place the needle on R and cut the ray QA. Where it is cutting, that point will be our P. This is our P. Now join P to R. Now join P to R. This will be our PR is equal to 10 centimeter. So we have constructed, this is 8 centimeter. With protractor we have measured, this is also 90 degree, but we have constructed. And with scale we will measure it. If this is our 10 centimeter, so yes, it is 10 centimeter. So this is how we can construct question number 1. Now moving to question number 2. Let me show you first. They are telling us to construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter and one of the leg is 4 centimeter. So if we compare to the first question, in first question they have given us the measures Q, QR, PR. Here they have didn't told us. So what we will do, we will take any name, we will say it is ABC, right? So we have to construct a triangle ABC 90 degree right angle triangle. Our right angle will be on B, and one of the legs they have told, that means this is our hypotenuse, that will be our 6 centimeter, and one of the leg, that is this or this, it will be 4 centimeter. So we will take BC as 4 centimeter and construct 90 degree, and then this we have taken like we have taken in previous construction, right? So we will construct the same as we have constructed question number 1. So let us start with the line segment. BC is equal to 4 centimeter. BC is equal to 4 centimeter. So this is our line BC. Name it as B and C. Construct right angle at B, putting the needle and following the same rule that we have done further in previous question. Taking the same measurement, here I have made little mistake because of the pencil. Let me do it again. Opening the needle, placing it on B, now taking the same measurement and putting on this point of intersection. First arc will be our 60, placing the needle on 60 now, drawing one another arc, that will be our 120. In between 60 and 120 we will take one arc each by putting on 60 first and then on 120. This will be our 90 degree mark. Let us name it as X. Join BX and extend it further. And measure it with protractor and see if we have got 90 degree perfectly. Yes. Now open the compass and take measurement of 6 centimeter. Place the needle on C and cut one arc on BX. Name that point of intersection as A and join A to C. So this is our construction. Let us see if we have drawn perfectly. This is our 4 centimeter. With protector we have already measured 90 degree. Now let us see if this is our 6 centimeter. Yes, you can see it clearly, it is 6 centimeter. So this is how you can construct question number 2 and question number 1 also similar method. So hope you have understood how to construct both of the questions, that is right angle triangle of exercise 10.5. We will meet with new videos in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.